In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Split Ice in Heroes Battlegrounds. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Split Ice is a free-to-play character available in Heroes Battlegrounds, so all that you have to do is join the experience and it will be available here. So choose Split Ice and you will be able to use the entirety of the moveset. So, I'm going to cover the basics and I'm going to show you all of its moves. Keep in mind that this is a very beginner-friendly video. I'm not going to go too crazy with combos and techniques that you can do, but you will get a general idea on how to play. So these are going to be all of the moves. You have Sub-Zero, then you have Ice Javelin, Frost Counter, and then Frost Burst. And you can use them by pressing 1, 2, 3, and 4 on your keyboard. So you will have moves with certain variants. And of course, you can change the bar to use your Awakening move there. So, Frost Counter is the only one that doesn't do damage right away because it is a powerful defensive tool. So this one you won't be spamming, and for the other ones you will have melee and ranged options. So for example, Ice Javelin has a ranged option like this, so if you need to run away from your opponent to get some distance, you will still be able to attack. Sub-Zero, as you clearly saw, allows you to grab a player and deal a good chunk of damage, but of course it is going to be a close quarters move. And then finally you have Frost Burst, which throws your opponent away. So effective play is going to involve learning combos that maximize damage and control. Something that you can do, for example, is use Frost Burst, and because it launches your enemy away, you will be able to get some distance and then throw the Ice Javelin from a safe distance, as you can see. You have an uppercut variant of the Freezing, which is a very strong tool for setting up your combos. And you will be able to use all of them in conjunction like this. As I've mentioned before, using the Ice Javelin effectively, especially the range variant, is important for zoning and damage. And you will have a passive like this that can alter your moves depending on when you use them. So join in, choose Split Ice, and you will be able to use all of these moves. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Split Ice in Heroes Battlegrounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.